Hi folks, in this video what I want to talk about is how to find keywords on YouTube and as a result be able to make more videos, and by making more videos you can get more views, so then you can make more money from that, whether it be from monetization, whether it be from affiliate marketing, whether it be from selling your own product, getting some sponsorships, or whatever the case is. You can grow a YouTube business that way. Now the easiest way for me to start explaining how that's actually done is by recommending that you start with something that you are very interested in, which is some kind of specific passion or hobby that you have. In my particular case, I do affiliate marketing. I teach people to do it. There's a link below this video that shows you how to get started if you're interested in it. But the point is, one of my best passions and one of the things that I'm good at is affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products on YouTube, blogging, paid ads, all that sort of stuff. So that's where I'm going to begin. Let's say that I decide to make a YouTube channel on affiliate marketing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to YouTube and I'm going to type in affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of different suggestions popping up for me over here. And the important thing to understand is that with these suggestions that you're getting, you always want to make a note of which of these suggestions correlate with something that you know a lot about. So in my particular case, I can do a video on affiliate marketing versus MLM. I can do a video on affiliate marketing being ads, and a video on affiliate marketing for beginners, how to do affiliate marketing in 2021, how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon, a step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, how to do affiliate marketing on Instagram, how to do it on ClickBank. I just named like almost 10 different keywords that I found by literally just typing in the basic keyword affiliate marketing. Now, that's one of the ways that you can find ideas on keyword ideas from YouTube. Another way that you can do that is you can just find other videos that are popular in whatever subject that you chose and basically make your own videos on the same types of subjects. So for example, in this case, let's say I just type in affiliate marketing and I click on the first options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see the first couple of videos that are ranking really, really high. And let's say that the first top one is affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners 2021 step by step. So I can actually make my own personal video on this very same subject and just give my take on it because I know a lot about it. I can offer my own unique flavor to that particular subject. I'm not copying anyone over here. The only thing I'm seeing is that this person at the top has over 700,000 views for his video. And so, affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I can make my own video that says, a step-by-step guide or affiliate marketing tutorial step-by-step for beginners, and then maybe in parentheses say 2021, and then I can offer my own value on the subject, and it could be even better than that video. And let's see some other ones. See, these two ones are ranking at the very top. It's pretty much the same subject. Let's see, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. So that's an interesting opportunity right there. I can create a video on how to start doing affiliate marketing in 2021. And then if it's a really, really good performing video and the year becomes 2022, I can just change that title to 2022. Obviously, the content would have to reflect that year's topic. But the point is, that's another example of how I'm finding YouTube video ideas and keywords as a result. ClickBank for beginners. Okay, so, I have a lot of experience with ClickBank. I have 2 certificates showing me that I'm one of their best sellers, and this is actually true. And I can make a video on how to do affiliate marketing on ClickBank step by step, and maybe another thing in parentheses I can write 2021. So I can just keep going and going with these ideas. But the point is that with these 2 methods that I just showed you right now, I've probably come up with over 10 keywords that I found on YouTube that I can make 10 different videos on, and the more videos that I make, the more options that I have. I'm going to give you one more option before I finish up this video, and that's using a program called TubeBuddy. I was actually making a video reviewing that in the previous one that I made. You're welcome to check that out. I'll leave a link to it below this video. But the point is, it's a free program. You install it, and it's also going to give you a lot more keyword ideas. So for example, you're going to notice over here it says Search Explorer. This is actually TubeBuddy. Once you install it, it will pop out on YouTube and show you these kinds of things. So in my case, what it says is affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing 2021, affiliate marketing Amazon. Those are the 3 most common terms that are coming out, and I can actually use that as 3 different keywords that I can write about. Just like I did before when I typed in affiliate marketing and all these different options popped out, this option also pops out over here. So if I didn't find it over here, I may be able to find it over here. Furthermore, see, it says common video tags. affiliate marketing for beginners, ClickBank, how to make money online. This just gives me more other options. Now if I click on one of these videos over here, it'll open up the person's video. This is actually an ad, but the point is I'm waiting for the Videolytics to pop out. This is also TubeBuddy. And I can look over here for different tags that the person is using in their video. See, it says affiliate marketing Amazon, affiliate marketing for beginners, how to make passive income online. These are all video tags that I can include in my own YouTube videos on the subject of affiliate marketing, so I can get more views, more keyword pop-ups for those particular tags, and that's just another way that my videos can get more exposure. In addition to that, I can also look at these different tags over here and see if I can make more videos on the subject. Like for example, a step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, or how to do affiliate marketing without a website. Let's see, how to make passive income online. Okay, passive income online, something similar like that. But with tags that are displayed for me using TubeBuddy, I can get more keyword ideas to make more YouTube videos on and get more stuff done. And this is a strategy that can be replicated across any single niche market. In my case, I picked affiliate marketing because I know a lot about it. I have a lot of experience with it. And let's say we choose something that's completely out there. Let's say we choose drones. Okay, so let's go into this and just type in drones. Okay, drone mountain biking, drone bowling alley, drone racing, drones with camera. See, in this particular case, I don't really have that many options over here, so I'm going to have to write more than one keyword. Let's say best drones. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Best drones under 200, best drones under 100, best drones under 500. I can literally make 3 different videos on those particular price ranges of drones and get views for that. Literally, it's not that difficult. Under 300, there's a 4th one. Best drones for beginners, no problem. I can make something about that. Best drones for photography, best drones 2021 with camera. So all that I literally did was I typed in 2 keywords, best drones, and YouTube gave me all of these different options. And in addition to that, I can even go further with this. I can just maybe type in A over here and it shows me all the A options that are associated with these 2 keywords. Or B, look at all of that. C, and then just basically filter out which of those keywords I actually know a lot about and then make subsequent YouTube videos based on that. So let's say, for example, we use the second term, which is just best drones. This is the second option. I'm looking at all these videos that are popping out right now. Top 5 best drones 2020, top 5 best drones in 2021. It was uploaded a month ago, but it's got over almost 9,000 views. And again, there's another option here, which is me using TubeBuddy. And it's giving me pretty much the same suggestions as YouTube was over here. But that's okay. It's still just extra reinforcement that this is a good keyword to follow. And if I click on one of these videos, for example, let's see what Videolytics shows me right here. Top tech. Now, I don't really like some of these keywords, these tags, but best drones 2021. Again, this keeps popping up again and again. So that's another sign that I should be following that particular keyword and making perhaps a video on it if I know a lot about drones. Best quadcopter 2021. That's not bad. Quadcopters. There's not too many examples here that I can use, but the point is that by using these 3 different methods that I just showed you for how to find different keywords for YouTube, I can come up with a lot of different ideas. And a lot of people struggle with, what do I create content on? Where do I start? What do I do? Again, your starting point should be something that you're very interested in. I gave you 2 personal examples of mine. One was affiliate marketing. The second one was about drones. And I showed you with these 3 options. The first one was just using the basic YouTube search and seeing what suggestions come up. That's the first option. It gave me a lot of different options for both niches. The second one was seeing some of the top videos for some of the keywords and just seeing which ones get a lot of views and making videos on the same subject, but obviously in my own unique content way. That's the second option. The third option is using TubeBuddy and seeing what similar searches they show me and seeing if I can find keywords based on that, or perhaps going into one of the videos and then using TubeBuddy to show me the video tags that person is targeting with keywords, and maybe getting some keyword ideas for that, or maybe getting some keyword tags ideas for that, which I can input into my own YouTube videos so I can get more views based on that. So just by following these 3 different options, but the most important one being start with something that you know a lot about, you can come up with tons and tons of different YouTube video content creation ideas. And in terms of what tools to use to create your videos with, I'm not a professional when it comes to that. You can probably see that the quality of this video isn't like as high as other people, but it's the quality of the content that I create, which I hope is to your liking, and that's really the most important thing when you're making YouTube videos. But in my particular case, if you want to know the camera I'm using, it's called I think the Logitech camera or something. I'm going to leave a link to it below this video, and the voice that you're hearing comes from using a really good mic. It's called the Yeti mic. I'm going to leave a link to it below this video. It's actually up here. You can't really see it. I'm going to move it down a little bit, but you might be able to see just a little bit of it. But it's a really good mic. I'm going to leave a link to it below. Generally, the point is when you start making a lot of YouTube videos and you start monetizing off them, maybe promoting affiliate products and making money, you should invest in a bit better hardware as you make more money and as your business grows. And I certainly gave you some examples of that. And finally, the last thing that I want to say is that I do affiliate marketing on YouTube and all these kinds of places. And if you're interested in doing that, I do make a full-time income in. And if you want to learn how to build your own business in that regard, there's a link below this YouTube video that'll take you to my site. It's called helpinghandaffiliate.com, where I teach people about these things and just basically making money online as well. It's something I have a lot of experience in, and I hope that I prove that to you in this particular video. So with that said, if you have any questions about the suggestions that I gave you about other stuff related to this stuff, you're more than welcome to ask me. But if not, really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.